Hello everyone, welcome to Nath Tech Zone. Today we will learn files and folders. What is a file? A file is a document or item stored on your computer. A file can be a picture, a video, or a document. So simply you can say a file is something you create or save. What is a folder? A folder is used to store files. It helps you organize your work. For example, you can put pictures inside one folder, you can put your videos in another folder, and also you can put your documents in another folder. So simply you can say a file is an item and a folder is a container. Is a container that stores your items. That is a folder. How to create a folder? So step number one, you have to right click on your desktop. You right click, then you click new. You will see a lot of options. So choose folder, then you can type the name and just press enter. You can write here document and you press enter. So our folder is ready. So that is how to create a folder. There is another way of creating a folder. So you can click here on the file explorer, double click to open it. Then on your left hand side, upper left hand side, you will see the option written new. So you can create a folder through this menu here. You click new, you click folder. So I want to call this folder pictures. I want to put my pictures in this folder. Yes, so my folder is ready. Picture. So there are two ways you can create a folder. You can create inside the file explorer, or you can create just direct there on the desktop. How to open a folder? So if you want to open a folder, let's see, this is our folder that we have created. If you want to open this, you have to double click. Just double click and it will open like this. Yeah, because our folder is empty, so that's why you don't see any item inside. You don't see any file inside it. Let's see how to move file into a folder. So we have our file here. This one, the document file. We want to move this file into this folder. So you can choose. First, you can drag this file into the folder direct, or you can copy and paste inside the folder. Let's try both way. So we drag these files into this folder. Just hold it and you drag it. So we already moved this file into this folder. Let's open to see if our file is inside this folder. We double click, you see our file is inside this folder. Also, you can decide just to copy and paste inside the folder. You right click the document, right click, you will see options, cut, copy, rename, share. So we copy the file, copy, then you come to this folder, you right click and you click paste. Let's check if our file is already in this folder. Double click, then we see our file is inside the folder. So that is how to move a file into a folder. Now you understand files and folders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. See you in the next video.